Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullu's in the kitchen. Now I am making easy method of soya chunks curry, and its another name is meal maker curry. It is best food for rotis, for best combination. Let's prepare the recipe. How can I make and enjoy this food? Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. For a soya chunks recipe or meal maker curry, the ingredients are raw chunks or meal makers, little bit oil, bay leaves, cumin seeds, shajira and cloves, cinnamon, whole garam masala, peanut chutney paste, green chilies, tomato chopped, onion chopped, fresh curry leaves, and lukewarm water. Soak the soya chunks in lukewarm water for 5 to 10 minutes and keep it in a side. Let's make the recipe. First take the vessel, pour oil, switch on the flame, add little bit because of healthy recipes making. Next add whole garam masala, bay leaves, cinnamon, all. When masala is cooked, then add onions, cook it nicely until raw brown color. Add little bit of salt, for nice golden brown color. Next add green chilies and curry leaves. Green chilies, next add fresh ginger garlic paste, half spoon, ginger garlic paste, cook it nicely until raw smell gone. When you cook often, it will smell easily. Next add tomatoes. Next add the seasonings. Turmeric powder, chili powder, mix it nicely. Next add little bit of water. Cook it nicely. Curry is cooked well. Then add peanut paste, roasted and peanut. Then paste it. Cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Otherwise the raw smell will come easily. Soya chunks masala, the curry is over. Now I am adding coriander and cumin powder masala. Next add soaked soya chunks. You soak it in lukewarm water and cook it for 2 minutes and remove. Soya chunk masala is ready in 2 minutes. It's same like chicken smell, non-veg smell because of masalas, and I'm using whole garam masalas and powders. That's why the recipe coming non-veg smell. And soya chunks also, it's when I am eating, it's getting like a non-veg chicken, but it's totally veg. Finally, check the seasoning. Salt and spicy, how you like. Add a little bit of salt. Salt is very less because when I am cooking any products, I will use less salt because if there also any less, you can add on last also. If you first only add so much salt, it's very saltiness. That's why always prefer the salt on last. chunks masala is ready. Now I am serving on plate. Wow! Same like non-veg, but not, it's pure veg, looking like non-veg. Soya chunks masala is ready. Now I am tasting. Soya chunk piece. When you soak in the water, hot water, you can taste the nice softiness flavor and tender to raw smell goes. And peanut masala is best for juiciness for the gravy. I have told so many times to the people when learning something new dishes for gravy or any juicy items, peanut or any sesame seeds powder and coconut powder is most important for gravies, thick gravies. And soya chunks is very healthy too. It's a protein plant, soya. It's made by soya beans and lower levels of calories too, cholesterol. When somebody asks to diet, I will recommend this dish for cholesterol levels low and proteins too. Thanks for watching.